Big ball.
Good morning. Actually, it's not morning. Today we started our day with coffee and playing with Sophie. It's Axel's mom's birthday, so we will go to the Nantes, which is kind of 45 minutes, 50 minutes far from Saint-Nazaire.
Et il y a une statue de ce mec-là sur la plage qui est super connue. Voilà, on est à Saint-Nazaire.
Yeah, it's yours. Did we plan something for today or?
Ruban bleu.
More shopping.
Huh? So I got confirmation for a restaurant at 1.
When?
I said at 1.
Today.
Yeah, for birthday.
À Nantes. You have soon reserved?
Yeah.
You have reserved for Nantes today?
Yeah.
You must go.
But you said you were fine with it, no?
What she said, like the Thursday?
Ouais.
Jeudi?
J'ai booked Thursday pour le...
Yeah, and tonight we do the submarine. Espadon.
Right. Okay. Just cancel it. Okay. There is a change of plans. We didn't communicate well, so instead of going to Nantes, we are going to shopping. This one?
C'est chic, je trouve. C'est joli. C'est chic.
Bien celle-là. Viens papa bébé.
Très cher, hein?
Ici, ce magasin, c'est très très cher. Spécialisé. Et c'est qualité top.
But good quality.
Ah ouais.
Yeah. I think she's ready to sleep.
Here, okay?
Exploring things are beneficial for kids and adults, and some particular museums could benefit you and your kids. Museums have a positive and uplifting influence on child's happiness, like art and science or even entertainment can stimulate and engage kids. Where should we give tickets? Madam, you are in charge. Okay. Is it allowed to film?
Yes.
No people,
but
yeah.
without flash.
Yeah, sure. Merci. Bebets. 4.5.
Sunday.
The end of the world.
Yeah, because she said it's been replaced by
Creation de bonbons, le caramel, caramba. No? 54. Yeah. Do you like caramel? No. Me neither. Actually, I like in Snickers or something like that.
Et là, comme tout le monde.
Des roquettes? Louis Vuitton, hein? Look, that's a sign.
Pour ranger tes affaires, c'est une valise.
Yeah. Reminds me of Hercule Poirot.
Oui.
Vite, grave check, Sophie. This is... There is also few researches about the psychological mechanism of different museums' influence of the well of adults people, and that is why I found it very convenient to always schedule some visits to the museum wherever I am. Of course, your choice can be different, depend on in what country are you or what type of museum you prefer, and kids can adapt very easy. I would like to suggest one thing, to be open for new things. For example, if you never liked art before, by time that can change. My interest in some things changed through the years. Just try new things. Les pas moi. Why don't you eat, guys? It's good when it's hot. Are you hungry or not? Missing.
What?
He's missing.
It's missing.
Yeah.
What?